Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me new here, I'm Pragalpa, the author of the website Deserted Mom, and in today's video we are going to see homeschooling setup for this year 2020, and I am going to show you how I set it up a temporary homeschooling station for my toddler. So without getting delayed, let's jump into it. So we live in a 2-bedroom apartment, and 1 bedroom I have converted as a homeschool place, and in one corner of the room I have set it up my desk for my work as my workstation, and in another corner I have set up the homeschooling center. So this is my desk, and to know this is my daily planner for my homeschooling lesson plan, and this is my general planner, and I write the monthly homeschooling and yearly homeschooling lessons plan too. So if you need that, I have given the printable in the description box. You can go there and download it. It has a monthly lesson plan template, a curriculum for preschooling, and daily lesson plan template. You can go there and print it out. So let us see how I have set it up the homeschool center. So this how I set it up the homeschool for my kid. So there is a whiteboard in which every day I give him all these activity. I'll write it, and I will tell him to tell what that is, like that. Whiteboard is must necessary, and I have a little bit decorated with birthdays decorations I had left out. Whatever I'm showing you here is what I had at my home, and I did it with that. And you can also see this whiteboard in my circle time videos. Previously I've updated it 2 days before. You can see on that, and below the whiteboard there is a table. I bought this from IKEA when my son was around 2.9 years old, and now he is 3.5, and he has grown a little, so he can't use this table to homeschool, but he just uses this for coloring, painting activities. But this table has storage facility, like I'll show you. Like it can be opened like this, and we can store there. And in one box I have stored all his puzzles he can do in the break of homeschooling schedule, and in another box I have kept all his books needed for homeschooling, and miscellaneous craft items, and color pencil bag, extra color pencil bag, like that. And I have kept only the books which are needed for homeschooling, like I will show you. Like picture dictionary, we can make them learn all the alphabet words from A to Z. So many words are given to learn the alphabet. This is one book, and I have a notebook, like activity notebook. He'll write, he'll trace everything. I'll show you like this. This is manually written by me, and I made him to trace it. It's like that, and like this. And a coloring book, everyday coloring book. This one is the new one, and this is the old one. He has finished it off actually. And book to learn Tamil, as my mother tongue is Tamil. I'm making him learn Tamil, so I have a book for it. And this is a math workbook, learning measurements and all early math concepts. And This is a pre-K curriculum book for language. He'll learn alphabets, phonics, vocabulary, coloring. All are given here. So he does one activity each day from this book. And I have some nursery rhymes book, and this is a stick and glue activity book. So I have books in this, and I have kept all craft supplies here like scissors, glue, extra erasers like that, and extra color pencils and extra crayons in this basket. I have books like this too. It acts like a flashcard, but it is a book. We can learn all single word from, with picture in this book. I have all sets from this book. He does spell all the words from this book. Every day I'll give him one book and he will spell all the book. That is one thing. And while sitting with me and doing activities like writing and learning with me from board, he will sit on this table and do the activities. Apart from the storage in the table, I have two containers for keeping the homeschooling supplies. Like, I'll show you what is inside. I have this bag. I'll give you the link in the description box. I bought it in Amazon. This is a kind of makeup storage bag or something, I don't know, but this is useful for keeping the homeschooling supplies like sketches, color pencils, extra supplies, markers, anything you can store in this, and it is easy to give it to your child from this bag. And then I have a storage box kind of thing for storing the crayons. And I have this box for storing paints. And I have this file to store the everyday printable. I'll change the printable every day, and I'll store only what printable is needed for that day in this file. And in this file I store all other printables which I'm taking for every day. Like, I'll store in wholesale and I'll take it every day what is needed and keep it in that black file. Then this is my toddler learning binder. I'll give a video of this in the link in the description box. You can go and see what is inside this learning binder. But I kind of thinking to update my learning binder as my son is grown up now. So I'm working on that. So if you want me to show the updated learning binder, you can comment me below in the description box. I will put a specific video for that and show you what I have updated in the new learning binder. And I have a smiley sticker. I store smiley stickers because to reward him every day, I'll stick him in his hand if he does very good. If not so, I'll do that to encourage him to sit for everyday homeschooling. And I have some hands-on play like DIY planet quiz activity, and I have a video for this. I have made I've made previously. It's been 1 month ago, I think so, and I'll also link this video in the description box. You can go there and check out how I made this, and you can also do this for your child. And I have a simple DIY made flashcard of alphabet, and it has uppercase alphabet and lowercase alphabet. So quickly we will tell the alphabets every day and letter sounds with this flashcard. And that's it. These are some puzzles of fruits and its name. Fruits like watermelon is there picture, and there will be watermelon in letters, so he has to match it like that. I will do it every day, 3 fruits a day, and he will match it. And that's it for this box. And I have his miscellaneous pencil box. And in this basket, I keep his alphabet washable chart. I don't know whether it's available in Amazon. If so, I'll link it down below. I bought it in some local store here. So it is washable, and he can sit down and write alphabets with this. And this file, I have stored all his activity he has done every day from his 2.5 years of old. I have done all the activities, so it will be easy for me to assess how he is improving. So the basic thing is that we have to store our child's work so that we can get a knowledge about how they are developing from previous time to now. So we have to store our child's work, and also it will be a good memory for the child when he gets old and see this. So this is a drawing paper roll, I think so. I bought it in IKEA, and it is very useful. When he paints, I keep the paper all over the table, and he paints with this paper. And see, previously we done this activity in this paper, like he is fond of very Dora and boots. So I made him a map like this and made him to trace from Dora he has to go to boots like that. And this paper, and I bought this in a nearby shop, I think so. This is very useful during painting activities, like table won't get mess, and his dress also won't get mess. And I have some charts hanging on the door. Like previously I sticked it on the wall, but now he's grown, and I just laid this down on the floor, and he just keeps all the puzzle appropriately to the letters, to the animals, to numbers, like that. Like if I keep it down, if there is a small a, and he will able to match small a flashcard with this letter, like that. I have done like that now. If you want, you can also stick it on the wall. So this is my temporary homeschooling setup I have made for my toddler for this situation. I hope this basic setup of homeschooling helps you and gives you an idea of how to set up homeschool at home temporarily at this lockdown period. And comment me below if you want to know the updated learning binder version which I'm using for my child. If you need, I will put a video of it. And you can also comment me any other questions you have regarding preschool learning. And you can also comment me like if you need any online learning for preschoolers. I will make a video for it for sure. And if you love this video, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Momhomexplod, and don't forget to press that bell icon so that you will receive all my future video updates at your inbox, so you don't want to wait for my videos. I will see you with the next interesting video. Until bye from Pragalpa.